Baba Cam, and it's very easy. Just tell us when NCOBRA was created and why it was created.
I'm going to pass that on to Sister Queen Mother Mashariki, because she was
All right.
in the movement and was one of the persons who I looked up to as I rose in the ranks of NCOBRA.
Well, Asante Sana. NCOBRA was created. Number one, it is a premier mass-based coalition, and people sometimes confuse us as being an organization, but we actually are a coalition of individuals as well as organizations. And we were organized for the sole purpose of obtaining reparations for our people, African descendants in the U.S. The founding meeting was September the 26th, 1987, and it was convened for the purpose of broadening the base of support for the longstanding reparations movement.
What do you mean by the base of support?
I'm sorry, what you say?
What do you mean by the base of support?
To broad base, to broaden the base. Several organizations came together, the Provisional Governor of the Republic of New Africa, as well as the Conference of Black Lawyers, and what's the other one? NAPO, New African Peoples Organization. So these were some of the first organizations that came together. And as we came together, the purpose is to broaden this. And we're still trying to do that. We're still trying to bring other organizations into the fold so that we can do this work. Of course, we are governed by a board of directors. Brother Cam and myself are the male-female co-chairs of this great coalition. But our work comes out of our commissions. And we have 9 particular commissions that we're working with. Everyone's heard of the Legislation Commission, which Brother Cam has headed for a while. He now has help with Sister Kenneth and pushing HR 40 and pushing our politicians, to sign on to this. And I think someone's going to talk about that in a little while. But we also have economic development, human resources, legal strategies, information and media, membership and organization, international affairs, youth commission, as well as education commission. Brother Jabbar has told you he has just been appointed as one of the co-chairs of the youth commission. And this is where we do our work in our communities. Most of us have local chapters. Here in Indianapolis, we have a local chapter, and we try to do this work within our areas because we understand, although this demand for reparations is just and it's real, we have to do the work in our communities. We have to begin the work in our communities. We know we have mental health issues. We know our children, many of them have gone astray as well as some of their parents. We have to start reeling that in. We're not expecting anybody to do that for us, but that does not let anyone off the hook that has done damages to us. This terror that we have experienced throughout all of these hundreds of years needs to be recognized, and there needs to be restitution paid for that.
Great. So I have my next question is for Baba Conrad.